Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and replacing a washer fluid reservoir in a 2010 Volkswagen GTI. We're going to take these T25s out for the front grille. We're using a T25 socket extension and a ratchet. And I'm going to grab underneath the grille and just pull forward. There's little clips underneath. That came out kind of easy. You may have to work at it a little bit. I'm going to pull this panel off. Grab underneath and pull. We have a T25 that goes straight up and down. I'm going to use our T25 socket and extension. Get on it. And there's two more down here. We're going to pull our connector for our fog lights. You're going to push on this little tab here and then pull down. The connector will pull right out. Push down and then pull that straight out. And the driver's side is the same. On the driver's side, the wiring harness had a retainer that's attached to the bumper. You're going to pull it straight out. So we're going to take out all these T25s. There's one here, one there, one there, one there, one there, these two, and these two. Now on both sides, I'm going to grab right here and pull out. I'm going to take these last two out. I'm going to pull straight forward. To disconnect the electrical connector, I'm going to go in, push down on this tab. Once it clicks, you pull it straight out. You can also use a flat blade tool if you need to. Then we're going to take out these Torx bits. They're a T30. There's 1, 2, 3. There's another one in here. 4. When you take this last one out, make sure you're holding the headlight in so that it does not fall. The headlight right out. All right, we're going to take this 10mm out. We have a 10mm socket and a ratchet. Pop out anyway. We're going to pull this out of our way. Pull the pump out. You can leave it connected. We're going to disconnect this connector, squeeze it, pull it out. Take it this 10mm out. A 10mm bolt. I'm going to take these two 10mm nuts out. It's a long extension. Pull this side panel off. They're T25s. Pull this wiring harness off with a clip tool. You can use a screwdriver too, or some needle nose pliers. Pull that out of our way. Pull straight back. Twist. Pull that whole thing out. Fish this hose up in through here. And then push this down. There's two studs on the back, line them up. I'll take this 10mm bolt. Install it right here. And these two 10mm nuts on the back side. Tighten these all down. Reconnect the level connector. Install the washer pump. Slide it right down in the bracket. Reinstall this guard. Slide it up into place. Tighten them down with our T25. I'm going to line this up here with the bracket, the filler, and then install the 10mm bolt. I'm going to refill the washer fluid. Then make sure these tabs line up down below, there, and right here. in. I'm gonna snug them up. Not too tight, this is plastic. Install the connector, push it down. The procedure for the driver's side would be similar. Our vehicle has an aftermarket air filter, so yours may be slightly different. For ease of installation, it's easier if you have a partner and when taking it off. So you can line it up. Install these two T25s. Now we're going to install these T25s. Next we're gonna connect the fog light, well, the marker light. Push that in. Now we're gonna connect the fog light. Just push it on until it's locked in. And do the same for the driver's side. All right, we're gonna install this last. We're gonna install this T25 going up. You're gonna push on the fender. You're gonna push on the bumper and make sure it lines up while you're tightening it. Put these Torx screws in. Install the cover, put it in up top, push in. Install the grill. And line it up down below. And push, lock it into place. Install these 4 Torx screws.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at oneauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.